What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, every single video. Make sure you tell me what you think of it. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. So we've got a plain orange and white Nike box. Very boring, I must say. I'm glad I don't see this one often. But I was surprised that this pair even came in this box. Should have been in another one, but we move. Straight to the label, it says Air Vapormax 2021 FK. So obviously the 2021 model. The color is black, anthracite. I can never pronounce that. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45, and they're made in Vietnam. So when you open it, there's no paper, nothing. I'm not sure if that was meant to be done on purpose or not. Made with at least 20% recycled content. So this came on one of the laces, but I took it off because I needed to film the on foot. Now I've put these on foot, and it's my first time, I'll be honest, having a pair of Vapormaxes. And it's my last time, because there's something about these which is just meh. It's not value for money for me personally. I don't think that these are worth the price tag. One, they feel funny when you like walk, so the step is odd. This even has recycled materials and it's about 160-70 quid or even more. But yeah, not a fan at all. But let's go through the bottom. We've got a bit of recycled bits and bobs here. Black kind of see-through air bubble. The whole thing at the bottom is air bubble. That's what Vapormaxes are. The whole thing's air bubble. In that odd shape, which I don't like. It's not stable or anything. The back, we've got plastic like on the heel. In a funny shape, like a U shape. And then it says Vapormax. The upper is like a full sock, but it's not like a stretchy sock type. It's like, I don't know, woven. Like this bit's more like a stretchy sock, and then the whole upper isn't. It's just normal. And then we've got a embroidered grey and black type swoosh that has got a bit of satin. Lace loops. It's like a string that's stitched down to make lace loops, like each little bits. Then we got some laces, which these laces are actually quite different, because if you can tell, these are like rounded laces, but when they get to the top it changes into a flat lace. That's probably the most unique thing on the whole shoe. The back, you know, padding and stuff, I don't know, man. I just really don't like these. I put them on foot and I thought, this ain't me, man. I don't get it, man. I really don't understand it. I really don't get it. I don't know, man. I'm not happy with these, I'll be honest. I will not be buying another pair of Vapormaxes. Nothing with a Vapormax sole again after this. I really don't like the wobbliness and whatever for that. Plus I have heard that a lot of soles start squeaking, bubbles start bursting and stuff, and I really don't have time for that. But yeah, let me know what you think of that, people. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Check out all the other content. Check out all the other videos. And let me know what you think. If you have any recommendations, because I'm really like running out of ideas, recommend something. And most importantly, take care, my people. Bye.